Cone snails, nature's most beautiful assassin. What is my deadliest weapon that delivers the fatal blow? B. Venom, from my harpoon-like radula tooth. What part of your body will I most likely inject my tooth? A. Your hands or feet. If this made you rethink beach walks, like now. One sting can kill, but how many reported humans have I really taken down? B. Under 50. What happens to your body in a severe attack? B. Rapid paralysis. If I end you, what likely sealed the deal? A. Respiratory failure. Ready for my closing strike? Subscribe or follow and let me know which facts stunned you. How long would it take for the deadliest cone snail to kill you? B. About 5 minutes.